Hey guys, so this is a tip on how you can do robot. So just focusing on your elbows at your body. There's a few things you can do from here. You can have one arm up from the side, looks like this, and then we just come straight out like that. So the idea of bringing your elbow into your body like this, and we switch hands. Do the same thing. From here we can do two arms, in and out. Our hands can go up, so if we're here, now we can come in and out from the side. Also, from this angle here, we can do a lot of different things as well. We can turn our hands out, and it can come out, in. So our elbows are just coming back to our body. It's a pretty easy thing to remember. There is one difference though. If we're like this, instead of coming straight up, we can just keep our hands where they are, and then we can just bring our arms out like this too. And we can use this same concept down here as well. Our arms can come out like this as well. So you notice there's a few different ways we can do it. The side of our arms, the back of our elbows, or like in front as well, like this, right? And then we can start mixing it up a bit. We can do like the next step, which is from here, just focus on turning in and out, like this. Because we can go like this from here, up, turn, and down. And this is a cool little drill you can do, and it all brings you back to this position here. So we could do something like this, up, out, up, to the side, down, back. And then from here we can turn it out, come out, in, back to the side. Or we can do here, which is one arm out, and back. We can also come straight down and up, straight down and up, here. So this is not necessarily bringing your elbow back to the body, but our elbow is stuck to the body still. There's a lot more we can do with robot, like coming out like this. So our elbows are coming back to the body, but from the front this time. So out, in, like that. So it's a little bit different, but it's the same kind of principle. So next, once we get to this position here, just bring your arms in like this. And then we come back to here as well. Back. So up, out, and we're just turning out this time. So rather than turning out with both arms, this might be a bit difficult to get your arm like this. So you just try and bend your arm instead like that, and then come back to this position. Right? So try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom. And we can do it in reverse as well. We could come out, here, 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 down, or reverse it. Out, in, turn, turn, boom, boom. Alright, so that's just the basic stuff you can do from there. And you can do one arm or both arms, so it's always just like one arm at a time. In, or both at the same time. And the next thing you can do is like diagonal lines and stuff. So if you are in this position, you could play around with like the robotic circle. So robot arm movements pretty much like straight, diagonal, up, diagonal again, out, and then we have like maybe diagonal out here. So 1, 2, 3. So you see how we have these diagonal lines? But we can simplify that a lot more to like just like triangle shapes. We can go triangle up here, triangle down here, and then we just turn it up and down. So we can go like up, or go like out, then we can come down like this. Triangle shapes. And this brings us out to these angles. Right? Or we get back in and out with the elbows again, right? So we can come all the way out instead of doing diagonal lines like this, diagonal. Do straight lines now. Straight. Diagonal. Maybe you went diagonal again, like, but we do it a little bit differently. Diagonal, diagonal up here. Or straight lines again. We can get into diagonal lines like this too. Like here. So it's not directly all the way up, it's kind of like in between. And then we get these angles here as well. Right, because if you just turn from this angle, it's like this. Or on an angle like this, we get these kind of like diagonal lines. We can also do these diagonal lines too. So this is another thing we can do. The way our palms are facing. Instead of having our palms face in front like this, we just turn our palms upwards, and now we got these angles. Palms up. So that changes the dynamic a lot as well. And from here we can do parallel lines, so we can match where this arm's at. We can match the same angle. Here, we can match it. Or we can come up, and then come up again, like here, here, here. So we're just matching the same line to make it more parallel. Okay, or we did both arms back, down, out, up, out, here, here, here. Now this is just all with the palms up, so that's the different dynamics. Anyway, hope that helps, guys. Peace.